Welcome to this webinar, in which we will be introducing the world's first e-paper development kit for Matter, also known as the EPDK-Matter. Let's take a look at what's inside the e-paper development kit for Matter. The EPDK-Matter kit includes two main parts, the Extension 4 extension board and the 2.9 inches of high-definition e-paper display. The protective cover is hard to see in the picture because it is transparent. Accessories include 2x10 pins, spacers, nuts, and washers. You can connect the Extension 4 board to the Arduino Nano Matter board in two ways, using the Nano adapter board or the 2x10-way cable. Please note that the Arduino Nano Matter board is purchased separately. Connecting the EPD to the Extension 4 board is done in 4 steps. 1. Unlock the latch. 2. Align the cable. 3. Insert the cable into the ZIF. And 4. Press the latch. The standoffs, washers, and nuts hold the transparent protective cover on top of the e-paper display in place. Please also line up the silkscreen on board with the EPD size. To connect Arduino Nano Matter through adapter board, 5 steps. 1. Align the white ground marks each other. 2. Stack the Matter onto the adapter board. 3. Flip the whole set. 4. Align the white mark with the Extension 4 board. And 5. Plug the set onto the Extension 4 board. The option 2 is using the 2x10-way cable, allows connecting the Extension 4 board to any other microcontroller board. Here is an example of implementation with the Arduino Nano Matter board. On a very standard way, the first demo shows "Hello" on the e-paper display. Code goes as follows. We include the library Pervasive displays library suite PDLS extension 4 basic matter with 2 parameters, the screen, here a 2.90 inches wide temperature, and the board, here the Arduino Nano Matter. The first step prepares the image for the landscape orientation, the font terminal 16x24, and we print "Hello." The second step refreshes the screen with the image. We call Flush to perform that. See how fast the procedure goes. "Hello, Hello Matter" and "Hello EPDK-Matter" are displayed sequentially. The second demo is a Matter weather station. It comes as an example ready to use and was designed with Arduino and Silicon Labs. The Matter weather station relies on the temperature and relative humidity sensor of the Extension 4 extension board. On the Arduino IDE, call the menu file, then Examples, scroll down to PDLS Extension 4 Basic Matter, select Extension 4 Matter and then Extension 4 Matter Weather. The code is loader on the editor. Then, build and upload. Let's see the Matter weather station in action. Here, we are using Google Nest Hub as border router and Google Home on an Android smartphone as controller. First, commissioning. No display and need to search for the printed manual. The Matter device displays the QR code for an easy, fast, and secure commissioning. Once commissioned and connected, the smartphone receives and displays the temperature and relative humidity. The procedure is the same with Apple and Amazon ecosystems. The EPDK-Matter is designed to work with 2 CR2450 coin-cell batteries. E-paper requires power only to change the content of the display and is a perfect match for low-power Matter. The second ready-to-use Matter example of the library is an RGB LED. The Extension 4 board also packs a 3-axis accelerometer, with an example to rotate the display accordingly. There are button and passive NFC on board to provide more interactive applications. The PDLS library includes other features like GUI elements, touch management, graphics, for compatible screens. Pervasive Displays offers multiple resources. The technical wiki provides a gradual introduction to the e-paper technology and how to use it. The PDLS Extension 4 Basic Matter is open source and hosted on a GitHub repository. The user guide focuses on how to use the different libraries, with commented examples, technical notes, and reference designs. The reference manual lists all the objects and functions, with details for their parameters and returned results. Finally, the technical support is available with a dedicated FAE. Thank you for your attention. Should you have any questions or require further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us. We hope you have a good day.